Put the dice down. Stop putting in my dice network. Oh man, now you got some. Why you spit for your monkey? Go back. Make it. Oh, no, it's not funny. Never again.
Today, I'm Nadia Island.
Not commercial.
And you deserve to be treated like that by your wireless carrier.
Metro agrees. That's why new and existing customers are treated the same with Metro.
He said it. I get it now, Let's get him out of here in a minute. Okay.
So what do we do?
Uh-oh.
Stinky box. I think it means we all went to Ireland.
No,
Okay. There we go. See that? Volcanoes go. Uh-oh.
It doesn't sound the same when you say that.
hello, where's my cake? Here's your cake.
Oh no.
Hey, why you be such a
Well, get him right here.
Say hey. No, and I poisoned your cake too. What? Leave me.
Yes.
You're also awesome.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Come back.
Yoil cake. And then
I know what.
Metal ball. You're safe.
yoil cake.
And it's sound.
Okay.
Well, anyway, let's show the votes. In the game? No, she doesn't.
Be quiet!
I just knew.
I know it! Oh no!